Colton, hey, what are you doing?
What'd you get?
What are you doing?
Did you find the jelly beans? Careful.
You found the jelly beans and you took the lid off? Oh boy.
Your hand's not quite, or your arm's not quite long enough, huh?
Oh, that one is.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you getting some? Oh. Oh, you did get one. Okay, that's enough. Gotta put them away now. Make sure the lid's on good this time so you can't open it again. Oh, there's other candy there too, huh? Okay, all done. All done. Can you shut it? Good job.